In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Canva template. First, open your web browser and head to Canva's website. You can type the address directly or simply search for Canva and click through. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in so you can access your designs and templates. A free account works perfectly fine for this, but being logged in ensures your changes are saved automatically as you work. Next, choose the template or design where you want to change the background color. From the Canva home screen, you can open a recent design, pick one from your projects, or start from a template in the library. Once the editor opens, take a moment to let everything load, so the top toolbar and side panels are fully available. Now click directly on the background of your design. A quick tip, you want to select the canvas background itself, not a text box, photo, or shape sitting on top. If you see a specific element get highlighted, press Escape or click on an empty area of the page to deselect it, then try again on the background. When the background is selected, you'll notice the top toolbar update to show background-specific options. Look toward the top of the screen for the color tile in the toolbar. It usually appears as a small square showing the current background color. Click that color square to open Canva's color panel. From here, you can scroll to see available options. You'll typically find document colors, default palettes, and any colors already used in your design. Click the color you want and your background will update instantly. If you don't see the exact shade you're after, that's okay. To create a new color, click the plus icon in the color panel. This opens the color picker. You can drag the hue slider to explore different color families, then move the selector within the color box to fine-tune brightness and saturation. As you adjust, you'll see the background update live, which makes it easy to match the mood of your design. If you already have a specific color value, you can type in a hex code here for precise branding. Keep in mind that some templates use shapes or images as faux backgrounds. If changing the color doesn't seem to affect what you're seeing, try selecting that shape or layer instead and apply the color there. Also, if your design has multiple pages, you'll repeat the same action on each page to keep everything consistent. And that's it. You've changed the background color of your Canva template quickly and cleanly. Save your work and you're ready to present, share, or download your refreshed design.